The tool itself is beautiful, it's well designed, which is something we care a lot about, and I've honestly never seen that in a financial planning tool before. Hi, I work at Figma. We're a digital product design company. Our customers are the entire product development team. We help product development and their visual collaborators ideate, design, and build beautiful products. We're based in San Francisco, California. Today we're at over 600 employees. And we were founded in 2012. I joined Figma as the first strategic finance hire, and when I joined, we had one Excel model that had our consolidated view of everything. As we've continued to scale and I've built out my team, we have challenges in that not everyone can be working in the model at the same time. It's not collaborative. We have source of truth issues, and anyone outside of the finance team depends on us to physically send data, which is very time consuming. We also have an extremely manual headcount reconciliation process. I spent a lot of time looking at many tools, and we ultimately decided on Pigment for a few reasons. The first is that it's extremely flexible, so I know that with Pigment we're able to adapt the tool to suit our needs, rather than having to structure our planning processes around the tool. The second is that it's collaborative. So my vision is to have Pigment in the hands of all of our hiring managers, our executive leadership team, our entire recruiting team, and hopefully everyone across the entire organization. And in order for that to be possible, we need there to be workflows that exist. And then lastly, the tool itself is beautiful, it's well designed, which is something we care a lot about, and I've honestly never seen that in a financial planning tool before. We have fairly extensive board reporting, and we know that we will be able to take outputs directly from Pigment and use them, and hopefully one day have our investors directly in Pigment as well. The main benefits that we've seen is that the headcount automation that we intend to build will save my team a tremendous amount of time, and it will allow our finance team to up-level ourselves so that we're not in the process of reconciling headcount, but we can actually be drawing on insights for the business and remain lean. We also have had a phenomenal experience with everyone we've met from Pigment. They're genuinely interested and invested in making sure that we are successful, and it feels like a joint partnership. Dynamic, powerful, and fun.